Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Toyota Camry with remote. First, make sure your car doors are fully locked. Then, press the lock button on your key fob once. Immediately after, press and hold the lock button again for about 3 seconds. You should see your parking lights flash, indicating the engine has started. This simple sequence will get your Camry running smoothly. Sometimes remote start doesn't activate, and there are a few common reasons. Always check that all doors, the hood, and the trunk are completely closed. Your fuel tank also needs to be at least 1/4 full for the system to engage. Lastly, a weak key fob battery can prevent the signal from reaching your car. Addressing these points often resolves the issue quickly.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're heading to work or just storing leftovers. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Toyota's remote start system includes important safety features. For instance, if any door is opened without the smart key present, the engine will automatically shut down. The system is also designed to run for a maximum of 10 minutes before turning off on its own. Always ensure your vehicle is in park before attempting to use remote start for safety. To get the most out of your remote start, use it to warm up or cool down your car's interior before you get in. Remember, never use remote start in an enclosed garage or any area without proper ventilation due to exhaust fumes. Also, it's a good idea to confirm if your specific Camry model has factory-installed remote start or if it was added by the dealer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.